Like how many Indians love trains, I am also a big train travel lover. You know guys, what I love the most about trains and what inspires me the most are the Bollywood movies. Whether it's Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge or Jab We Met, we've always loved our trains. Yes guys, but who would have thought that trains could turn into restaurants? We are at Pariwar Express and what we find here is a train converted into a coach and coach converted into a restaurant. So let's go inside and let's see what's there. So guys, behind this door is Telangana's first coach restaurant, and this place is called Restaurant on Wheels and also Pariwar Express. And we have two coaches inside. Also have a connector in between the coaches. Train journeys can never be boring. You know why guys? Right from the moment that we board the train, the moment we get onto the train and the moment we search for food on the platforms, it's always an adventure. Hi, this is Ankita from HyBiz TV and today we have Zaid from Pariwar Express. Hi Zaid, how are you doing?
Hi Sankita, how are you? I'm good.
You're good. So can you tell us your story on how did you start this venture of having a train-like restaurant? You know, it's almost a coach restaurant, right?
Yes.
In right next to the railway station.
Exactly. So we came up with we are in the food industry for almost 40 years now. So we came up with a new concept that we want something unique in Hyderabad to serve the people of the Hyderabad and the people nearby who are traveling. So we came up with the idea. We saw this train and we wanted to convert it into a restaurant so that we can serve people on the wheels. So we came up with the name like Restaurant on Wheels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So as you said, you've been in the food industry for a really long time. But this is something very new, very new initiative. Even the decors and the food is very different, unlike how we get in platforms.
Exactly. So what we thought, these coaches we got from the railways, and these are actually the Heritage on Wheels, which runs in Rajasthan.
Okay.
So we wanted to keep it as the same as that a heritage look. We didn't want it to change anything much in it. Okay. So we just made few changes, the lighting and just the tables, so that we can accompany for the people inside for the food and everything. And that's why we came up with the idea, serving people. And the chefs, especially, we wanted to serve it from the north.
Okay.
So the main cuisine what you're getting is Chinese and the northern food over here.
Okay. So guys, आज हमारे साथ है प्रवीण, मास्टर शेफ फ्रॉम परिवार एक्सप्रेस, और ये हमें आज बताने वाले हैं कि हमारे सामने क्या क्या चीज़ें ये लेकर आए हैं.
तो पनीर 65 एक, और एक तंदूरी चिकन, और एक थाई बेसिल चिकन एंड पटियाला चिकन एंड पनीर टकाटक एंड बटर नान.
सो इनके प्रिपरेशन में आपको कितना टाइम लगा?
मैक्सिमम 10 से 15 मिनट.
That's it?
Yes.
अरे वाह. और ये क्या, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक लग रहा है.
जी एक्चुअली आपका ये तड़का के साथ आता है, आपका गार्लिक के साथ आता है तड़का के साथ. हाँ. और उसके बाद हम लोग ग्रेवी डाल के और चिकन का अच्छा से उसमें भून के, हाँ. बाद में हम लोग ग्रेवी डाले, बटर क्रीम डाल के, तो लास्ट में जो हम पिकअप करते हैं उस टाइम हम लोग ये अंडा का ऑमलेट जो आप दिख रहा है, हाँ. तो हम लोग ऐसा गार्निशिंग करके डिजाइनिंग करके हम लोग आपको फूड पिकअप कर. और
आपका फेवरेट क्या है इसमें?
मेरा फेवरेट तो थाई बेसिल चिकन ही है.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वो बेसिल का फ्लेवर है ना, एकदम मज़ेदार रहता है वो, जो
मस्त आता है,
जो आप लोग खाते जो मज़ा लेते हैं आप लोग, जूसी टाइप का रहता है जो. हाँ. थाई बेसिल बोले तो बेसिल का एकदम अलग ही फ्लेवर है उसका, लाजवाब रहती है. और ये आपने ये पनीर टकाटक है जो इसमें आपका चटपटा टाइप का रहता है वो,
अच्छा
चटपटा का रहता है एक्चुअली। वो पनीर एक्चुअली कीफ कट का आता, सो आपको उसमें फ्राई करके हम लोग देते हैं आपको, तो खाने में उसको भी बेहतरीन मज़ा आ जाता है। बटर नान के साथ खाना या बटर रोटी या कुछ भी रोटी के साथ में। और आपने ये रहा पनीर 65, तो आप लोगों को सबको मालूम है पनीर 65 कैसा टेस्ट रहता है आप लोगों को, तो आप लोग कितना भी खाए होंगे, आपने चाखा होंगे कैसे रहता है। तो वो ये चटपटा टाइप का रहता है पनीर 65। और मेन रहा तंदूरी चिकन, देखिए आप कितना लाजवाब लिख रहे हैं।
वो तो दिख रहा है एकदम लाजवाब, और ये एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत लाजवाब होने वाला है क्योंकि ट्रेन कोच के अंदर हम लोग खाने वाले हैं ना।
जी मैम,
Thank you. So how do you make sure that the hygiene and everything, the taste is maintained when it comes to veg and non-veg food?
So we have made a proper standard of protocols over here. So like the chefs have to wear complete head net over there, and everything, like we keep the veg and non-veg completely separately over here, and the standards, we make everything fresh on a daily basis. We don't store any food over here, and we try to keep everything neat and tidy. We've got a proper cleaning staff over here who works around the clock to keep the place neat and tidy over here.
So why did you choose Kachiguda as the railway station?
We came up with like these coaches were only available over here.
Okay.
And when we approached the railway and they said the coaches are available over here, so we went here and we approached, we convert this bogies into a proper restaurant over here.
Okay. So when it comes to decor, we've seen inside you've used a lot of elements of Rajasthan. Was it already there, or was it modified into paintings and intricate art, and a lot of other things are there which are very detailed?
Exactly. So this thing what we are seeing inside, the art and everything, is completely from the the heritage on wheels. We didn't want it to change anything because it's a proper antique look, unique look, and we just made sure there is a proper lighting over there, there's proper interiors and the seatings, just we make sure, and we just wanted to keep it as it is, the proper heritage look of it.
Okay. So when it comes to public response, how has it been? Like, I think it has opened like 1.5 months before or something. It's very new.
Exactly. So it's a very new concept, very new place. People are liking.
My name is Beena Devi. It is good experience to have our lunch here in this apartment, like train when we are, but it is not moving and everything is fine.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు వెంకట నర్సయ్య. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చాము. ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ టు హ్యావ్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్స్ ఎ రియల్ ట్రైన్ అండ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంతకుముందు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయలేదు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం అండ్ చాలా ప్లెజెంట్ అనిపించింది. ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ డెలిషియస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So especially the food, the ambience and the timings which is available, like we are almost open till 2 o'clock, the restaurant, and the restaurant is open 2 o'clock, and the outside we are open 24 hours.
Okay.
So you will get 24 hours food in Pariwar food.
How is the costing like? What's your pricing? Is it affordable?
Yes, it's very nominal pricing. Like people are loving the pricing as well. Like we're not charging too much. It's a completely budget friendly. So the costing and everything is like everybody can afford it.
Okay. So what are your future plans? Are you planning to introduce more coaches into this, or like?
As of now, we just want to focus on this thing. We want to make sure the responsibility what we have to serve good quality of food, the perfect food, and just as of now we just want to concentrate on this one, and hopefully whenever we get chance we will definitely want to expand this as well.
Okay.
मैं चाहता हूँ सबको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप आके जो है सो हमारा फूड टेस्ट करें, आके हमारा एम्बियंस चेक करें, अपने रिव्यूज़ दें, and like we want to make sure that everybody goes out happy from here.
Thank you so much, Zaid.